Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will be building a Lego Hidden Side JB's Ghost Lab set. This is a set from the Hidden Side set. It comes with Spencer the dog, Jack, JB, Mr. Elton and Dr. Drewell. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but I'm quite sure anyone who's familiar with Hidden Side will put a comment in. So this is the first Hidden Side set I've actually built. So I personally quite like the dog in this set. So this is Hidden Side set 70418. So it's the front of the box. This is the back of the box for anyone not familiar. We have probably a glow in the dark pipe. Some of this stuff is interactive with your phone as well. We have two bags, a book, and some stickers. I do like. Anyone who watches my videos regularly will know how much I enjoy stickers. So we start off. Let's have a look. Hopefully at the beginning. Yeah, bag one. So I'll put this over here. So we start off building the lab. We'll get straight into it. If I find any interest. There we go. It's the first bit. Oh, I forgot to build the main character. We have two characters to build first that I missed. We'll do this one first. So this might be a female character, I'm not sure. So where's the dog? Yes, here we go. Here we have the dog. It has like ghost type legs on it. I'll try and show you as best I can. I believe it works better when you have the interactive thing on your phone, which will be quite hard to show you on the video. So we'll build the other character, find out who this is. Mr. Elton. I think he changes into the ghost as well, so the ghost has a nice wispy sort of hairpiece and a nice translucent face, which is quite cool actually. I'll try and show you that. I'll get that up to the camera a little bit. There we go. Then if you look at the others, try and show you the other side. It's got flames on the back. Lego should consider this when they're making their Ghost Riders figures. So now he has Yes, this Mr. Elton has two faces, one here, one there. Nice little bit of detail, a lot of nice, all the main detail is on the front of these characters, which is quite nice. So you can have the head over there. We'll get back to this now. And we have some wheels that go on, rotational bits which go on here. One goes here, and one goes on the other side. Now we have stickers to go on. My favourite part of the process. There we go, we have look, it's like a meter goes on there to measure whatever they're actually measuring. That's what we have so far. Some little spinny dials there. Oh, we have a rotational thing here. Looks like a bit out of the Harry Potter set, the Harry Potter one, which any Lego fans will remember. I'm now looking for a round disc to go on top. Which we don't seem to have, which makes life a bit fun. We do appear to be, Lego seem to may have slipped up. Check it's not me, or hasn't gone on the floor. Oh, the first bit of Lego that's gone on the floor, as anyone who watches. No, it's not, it's still in the bag. Lego tend not to make mistakes like this. And when they do, they'll always replace it for you free of charge, so I've been told. Never had the misfortune to have to test that theory. So this bit goes on here like so. These side bits go on and we have some stickers to put on. Oh, missed some bits with the excitement over the stickers. Yeah. This is what we have so far. We have a spinning thing on here, which displays different colours. It has a dial there as well. So somewhere along the line they use this for detecting, I would assume they use this for detecting ghosts. So this bit is like an interconnecting bit which holds it all together. Put that bit on there. That's what we have so far. Other bit goes on here. This bit goes on here like so. This is got how big the lab. I think this looks at how big the lab's going to be. There does seem to be lots of what I call small fiddly bits. Get these on. 1, 2, couple more bricks to go on. Right, brick wall here. All these brick wall bits, which are quite nice. That's what we have so far. Some more interconnecting bricks to keep everything together. This is what the lab looks like at the moment. And we have Lego post box. Transparent Lego post box, or the box bit is anyway. Has the standard bottom bit for the post box as well. Has a sticker that goes on it as well. What number is that? It's number 2. No, this is a. What they've done, they've actually made a 3D print. This is a 3D printer, so just to be clear, so that bit goes in there like so. So this bit goes on the end here like so, and there we go. We have our 3D printer on one end and our twisty turny dial bit on the end. So gets attached here like so. Maybe have a couple more bits to go on the back. This bit requires stickers, so this is the sticker that goes on it. And that's bag one done. So we'll keep the spare bits there because we probably need them. Now we open bag number 2. Now we're going to be building Jack. Sorry about that, I'm not that familiar with the names, so I'm just, bear with me. He does come with 2 faces. He comes with a smiley one and a slightly more wary look on his face. Try and find his legs. Here we go. The legs do have some nice detailing on them, so this is Jack, this is his front, this is his back. He's got like a American high school jacket on. I'm going to leave him with his slightly more menacing face, and he's got his hoodie and with baseball cap on it. Not a lot of people can pull off that look, but this character does seem to, so. And he has some kind of device with a D-bend on it. We'll try and, if you can see that, we'll put him over there and we'll start continue the building process. It goes on here. Put these bits on here. These bits go on here like so. There we go, that's the front and that's the back of the lab. With some interesting detailing on it, so. Oh, missed 2 bits. Oh. going to be quite fiddly, so bear with me. Right, here we go. Two stacks of these. There we go, that's what we have so far. The next bit's on. A bit more detailing to go down here. You can see I put some detailing there. Another screen goes on there, so another sticker, my favourite. So this is for the 3D printer. So I'm not sure what they're trying to build here, but put that on there like so. And we have a little keyboard that goes on here. They've actually put all the detailing on this little piece here. I'll try and get into the camera a little bit more. There we go, hope you can see that. So that goes on there like that, and someone can stand and type away at that, which is quite a nice touch. We now have a camera, which goes on this side. And a Lego spanner. Been making those for years. There we go. There's the rest of that computer there. So on the side we have a pot of some kind. Not sure what it's a pot of, but then we have a pizza. That'll be your standard Lego pizza, I would say. It's been used on various sets over the years, but also probably been quite frequently used on the Ninja Turtle Lego sets Lego have done in the past as well. This goes on the back here. I think I've done something wrong here. Got to work out what. This goes on top here. It looks like they're trying to summon some kind of ghost or spirit. There we go. There's a bit more. There's the lab in a bit more detail. It's coming along. We have another sticker to put on. What they do is print. I know I say this every time, but if they printed these out every time instead, I know it would cost more money, but Lego aren't putting their prices down. So that's just a personal opinion. So. A couple more of these go on top. And some of these go along here. They also have something sticking out of them, so. And some bits that go on the back. That's what we have so far for our lab. It's the back, that's the front. There is a lot of nice detailing on this set and some moving parts, which makes it quite a fun set. Now we have to put some I believe these would be the materials for the 3D printer they put on it. There we go, there's the 3D printer. With a ladder that goes on the back. And the pipe goes from this side here. They could have given me advance warning of this because it's a bit fiddly. Here we have the back of the lab, some new details on it. It's looking quite good. Three. That's what we have. These are like the power conductors, I believe. So I put these all together. This should go through just like that. There you go. There's a much quicker way of doing those. Obviously, always follow the instructions on the Lego packet, because corner cutting sometimes doesn't work when you're building Lego sets. As just watch my videos and you'll find that one out. So these go on top here like so. And we have these bits go in here. In where? In there, these. We have some little spinny dials here as well. Again, I'm not sure why Lego didn't just print these off, because once you put the stickers on, they're there anyway. So it's probably done so they can save costs and not pass it on to the customer. But we've got a few spare bits, so well done, Lego. I don't think I'll be doing the interactive thing with this set too much. I might do at some point, and I'll probably do a review at some point in this. Well, apparently, if you put your mobile phone on there, it comes up with something. You can see a ghost come out of it. So this is the lab with all the details. These things spin round. This spins round. Not sure you can see that from here, but you have like a little 3D printer down here. You have a little keyboard down there, workstation, a portal for your ghost/demon to come out of there. Overall, not a bad set. Whether I buy more of this stuff, it would have to be at the right price, really, for me. It does have some nice bricks, some nice characters as well. I do quite like the hoodie and cap bit on the Jack character, and I do quite like the translucent heads as well. They're quite nice. The hair pieces are quite interesting as well. The design of the body's quite nice as well. If you just have a look, they do put a lot of nice design on that. I'll definitely pick those bodies up if I was making minifigures up. This is a Dr. Frankenstein type character. It has some nice detailing on the legs and the body, and some nice detailing on the back as well. So overall, not a bad set. I picked it up at a good price, so I can't really complain. So overall, good set, and I'm quite happy with it. And any Lego fan would probably quite enjoy it. I do hope you like this video and my review of this set. I would like to thank you for watching. I would like to thank my regular subscribers. If you have any comments or feedback, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Again, thank you for watching. I'd like to thank my regular subscribers, Soundwave Man, and all the others. Thank you for watching. I do very much hope to see you in my next video, and hope you stay safe from the coronavirus. Keep building. Here we go. Let's go.